Guys, it's a sad moment. I'm gonna cry. I broke my Hocus Pocus cups. I'm so sad. They're all shattered on the floor. Hey diverse beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited because I can get to show you guys my fall decor room transformation. Now I decided to basically organize and clean my whole entire room and put some fall decoration up just so that I can enjoy the spooky season and the fall weather. And I'm so excited because I even have like a fall-esque outfit right now. Now I pretty much took, I think, about a week to finish everything just because I had to wait for certain things to come in the mail, and I made my own chunky knit blanket. I know, first time ever, and I'm really excited to show you guys the process, so let's get started. Okay guys, so here is my little bookshelf. We actually ended up painting it white, which is really nice because it kind of goes with my aesthetic. And this is kind of like the original setup. You know, I have my eyeshadows up there. Like these are all the palettes and like the tiny eyeshadows and the liquid ones. And then we have like my usual go-to lipsticks on the left and my perfumes. Then we have like, you know, the moisturizers and all that stuff, like the body cream and that. And then of course all of my masks. It's literally overpiling right now. Then we got our mask on the third shelf. And the final shelf is all of my nail stuff. And I also want to rearrange literally all of my vanity area. As you guys know, I have all of my other lipsticks here. These are the ones that I don't really gravitate too much towards too, but I'm kind of wanting to do a like seasonal lipstick stash, if that makes sense, where every season I change up the lipsticks to lipsticks that I want to start using more. And hopefully that way I can start using other type of lipsticks instead of using the same ones over and over. By the way, these are blushes from M Cosmetic. And so yeah, that's kind of like what I'm thinking. And I also want to organize like my books that I have maybe up here. Because up here is kind of a bit of a mess. Like, you know, I have my dog stuffed animal there, you know, my cameras. All of my cameras are in this like thing. I also want to basically change my desk a bit just because it's looking a little messy, and I originally put my skincare on my desk just because that's where I usually sit down and watch some YouTube or Netflix or whatever and do my skincare. But I realized that it's just making my desk look a little bit, you know, just not as clean and as productive looking, so I might move that to my vanity instead.
Here we are right now, no longer 17. Oh, have we been around? Got some years on us, and a new balance to see. Yeah. So we're here, that I still appear inside your dreamland. Weird that I still appear inside your sleeping. Does he know about our time inside your REM cycle, and that I'm on the way when the night goes?
Did I break 2 out of my 4 glasses of the Hocus Pocus one, which I'm so upset about. I also ended up breaking this display that I usually put my mask on. Luckily my grandpa basically like glued it like with this super strong glue that he has, so I'm really happy about that. And I broke one of my shadows from the Sephora Pro. Let me show you. Like, luckily it was only one of the shadows and I could like press it in a bit, but like, look at that. That one right there. Oh. Ah. Hey guys, so it is pretty much a few days later and I'm still, you know, redecorating my room and trying to get it in the fall aesthetics, but I have one more thing that I want to try to do, and I'm going to try to do some blankets. I'm going to attempt to do a knit blanket. I've never done it before in my life. Kind of nervous because I don't know how it'll go, but I'm also really excited because it'll be a little bit nice of it will be a nice touch for my bed. So yeah, let's go. Here are all of the yarns that I got. Joann Fabrics was having like a really good sale, so of course I had to pick it up while there was a sale, and I ended up picking up the Burnett Blanket Extra yarn, this one. So this is what it looks like. It's huge, so hopefully I can make a pretty big blanket that I could put at the end of my bed. I do need to clean my bed because we're doing laundry today, and then also I'm gonna change my sheets as well, and I bought these pillows as well back here for my bed, so that will be very exciting.
So you get a few loops into the blanket, so don't, oh hey Nala, so don't start freaking out if it doesn't look perfect yet, just keep going.
But it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. Oh, I wish it wasn't so far. Thousands of dollars just to be near, countless thoughts of you being here. Oh, I wish it wasn't so hard.
So I am like literally only a quarter in of my blanket. It's almost midnight. I'm so tired. I had a mental breakdown because part of it got like unfolded and it was just a hot mess, and my grandpa ended up helping me because I was literally breaking down and I wanted to throw this blanket out the door because I was just so like frustrated. But he helped me out, and it's looking so much better. I'm gonna continue this tomorrow because look at me, I'm so tired. My makeup is melting off. I'm looking so oily and I'm so tired. But I'm just gonna finish this roll today and then keep doing it tomorrow. It's the next day and oh my god, I'm so happy because my grandpa surprised me by working on some of it this morning while I was sleeping. It looks so good. So I think I left it off yesterday around like here probably, or here, I don't know, and he did the rest of this, so yay. So now I have to keep working on it because it's still kind of still not there yet. Guys, so it's been 2 days since I basically started working on this blanket and I'm finally done. I'm so happy. It took me 2 days with, you know, my grandpa and I both worked on this blanket together because, you know, that first day I had a mental breakdown and I was just like so upset because I was like, oh my god, this blanket is just like disaster, you know, and he helped me out and like, you know, he surprised me this morning with basically trying to like do as much as he could. So yeah, we both finished it together and I'm so happy. Let me show you the results. You know, I definitely could do better after I practice a lot more. So whenever like the yarn goes on sale, I'm definitely gonna buy some more so I can practice. I'll show you where I kind of messed up and I got really frustrated, but of course with more practice it just got much better. Okay, so here is the blanket. Now let me explain to you where I was really frustrated. So as you can tell, this is the beginning where I first started. So the holes are really big and there's just too much space and it feels really weak because there's so much space, and you could tell like this is where I started, and I was just getting really frustrated because especially like at the ends where the border is, it just felt like it was falling apart. But of course with more progress and more practice, they started to get tighter. Of course, you know, we messed up a little bit here in the middle, but then you could tell as we progressed, it just got tighter and tighter and tighter. So it's really nice because like down here, you could tell that they're very close knit and they look really nice, but down here they're like super loose, you know. So yeah, so this is the area where I was kind of having a mental breakdown and I wanted to quit, but we got better. And look at this. So I'm really happy. Like, I kind of wish I redid the beginning, but of course it's just practice. So yeah, I'm really happy about how it turned out. So tomorrow I'm gonna finish redecorating my room. I'm gonna change my bed sheets and add some little decorations, as well as clean my floor because it's quite messy. And then I'll show you guys pretty much the end result of my fall decor room transformation. And I'm also gonna have another separate video where I basically show you guys my closet clean out, because I need to start putting in my fall clothes in, and there's just a lot of clothes that I feel like I could probably donate or give to family members or sell. So yeah, that will be for another video, but I will see you guys tomorrow in the morning. It is the next morning. I look a bit rough, don't mind my hair. But yeah, so right now I'm actually going to change my sheets to my new sheets that I bought, and I'm gonna put the new pillows that I bought as well, and of course the blanket that I made. So yeah, I'm really excited. I feel like everything looks pretty complete besides changing the bed sheets and mopping my floor, but I'll do that and then I'll show you guys the end results because I'm so excited.
Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to our museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. No name might be too much, and Van Gogh might take a while. But thank you for coming, I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. You don't fall asleep, cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing. Please stay awake for me. I know you wanna go, but please stay here with me. I could show you things that you've never seen.
Really happy about how everything turned out, and I'll definitely list everything that I bought in the description box for you guys, so please check it out so you could figure out where you could buy some of the items. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed my room transformation video, and take care of your health, diverse beauties. Follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. That's where I do a lot more like beauty reviews and stuff like that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you guys are notified whenever I upload a video. And of course, hit that like button because it would really help me out. And as always, take care of your health, and I'll see you next time.
I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's a